Hi and welcome. My name is Erin from Erin's Herbs, and here on my channel I post weekly videos on how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this beetroot lip balm at home. This is a natural formula. It's very easy to put together, and it will leave the lips feeling very hydrated and soft. To begin making this lip balm, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some shea butter. This will help to moisturize and soften the lips. Next, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some mango butter. This does have a very light but nice scent to it, and it contains the vitamins A, C, and E, which will help to moisturize and soften the lips of the skin, but yet also protect it from environmental damage. Now, overall, mango butter is a great ingredient to use when making lip balms. So now that I've added the butters, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some beeswax. This is a natural substance. It will help to moisturize, soothe, and protect the lips. And it contains vitamin A, which will help to rejuvenate skin cells. So if you're someone that has very dry or chapped lips, beeswax is great for this. If you're not wanting to use beeswax and you're wondering what you can use in place of this, continue watching this video because I will give some substitutions later on in this video. Candelilla wax is what I'm adding next. This will help to thicken the lip balm. It is plant-based, and it will help to give it a nice shine and glossy finish to it, as well as being very hydrating for dry, chapped lips. So I'm now going to go ahead and weigh out the oils that I'll be using in this formula. The first one that I'm adding to my beaker is almond oil. This is going to be very hydrating and moisturizing for the lips because it is high in fatty acids and vitamin E. It will help to protect the lips from UV rays and pollution, and it's a great carrier oil when it comes to actually healing the lips themselves. Avocado oil is the next carrier oil that I'm using in this formula. It will help to nourish and moisturize the skin, and it's high in vitamins A, D, and E, which will help to protect the lips from environmental damage. At this point, I'm covering my beaker and I'll be placing this in my double boiler on the stove. I want to make sure that all my ingredients are completely melted before I continue on. So now that everything is melted down, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out my next ingredient, which is beetroot powder. This will help to give our lip balm a nice light tint to it. It's a natural ingredient, and it will help to brighten and lighten the skin of the lips, as well as it's really good for lessening the appearance of pigmentation, and it's great for fine lines too. Vitamin E oil is what I'm adding now, and this will help to seal in moisture inside your lips, but it's also really good for prolonging the shelf life of the other ingredients that I'm using in this lip balm. As you can tell here, it is hardened up a little too quick, so I'm going to go ahead and cover this and place it back on my stove in my double boiler and allow it to melt again. Okay, so now that everything has melted down again, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some rose essential oil. This will give it a nice flavor to the lip balm, but yet it's very moisturizing for the lips as well. So once I've added the essential oil, I'm just going to go ahead and stir this really well, but yet quickly. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pour this into my tin here. Now, this formula makes 40 grams of product, and this tin is the perfect size. After pouring everything into my tin, I allowed this to sit for 12 hours. After 12 hours, this is what it looks like, and it's ready to use. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of this balm to my lips. This will give the lips a little color. It's very moisturizing, and afterwards my lips felt very soft and smooth. Before I end this video, here are some substitutions that you can use in this formula. Instead of the beeswax, you can use more of the candela wax. For the candela wax, you can use some carnauba wax. And then for the shea butter, you can use additional mango butter instead of. For the mango butter, you're going to want to use more shea butter. For the almond oil, I found that jojoba oil worked best. For the avocado oil, a good choice that I found and I liked was argan oil. Now, for the beetroot powder, you could use another powder such as pomegranate powder. You also can use peppermint essential oil instead of the rose essential oil. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.